Do you want to sew faster with more accuracy? Well, we are going to take masking tape out of our toolbox and bring it into our sewing room for 5 fast and easy sewing hacks. So stick with me and I'll show you how to do it. Masking tape comes in a variety of colors and widths. So with all these techniques, experiment and choose which one works best for you. First one is the sewing ledge. I don't know about you, but when I'm sewing a straight seam, if it's longer than 2 inches, my brain has moved on to the next step and I can look down and my sewing seam goes pretty wonky. I'm sure you've seen marking your sewing line before, but this is different. This is a ledge, and let me show you how to do it. So what you're going to do is you're going to make 3 to 5 masking tape pieces. Stack them on top of each other and align the left side. You're going to place it on your sewing line. The sewing line for quilters is 1/4 inch, but you can use this technique when you're sewing other things too. Having this ledge here helps me focus to guide my fabrics evenly along the ledge to get on a straight seam. And here you go, a nice straight edge. There is 1/4 inch, 1/4 inch, and 1/4 inch. Have you ever been in HST hell? I have. This is when you have a bazillion half square triangles that you need to trim up, and nothing can slow down your sewing fun faster. Take your ruler, flip it over. Now take the masking tape and lay it down on that 45-degree mark. Now make a ledge similar to the previous example. Trim up your corners. Flip it back over. Now take your HST block. Push your ruler up against that seam. It kind of locks in. Trim your first corner. Now spin your block and trim the others. If your HST needs to be smaller than your ruler, then just slide it down the diagonal. I love these rulers from Creative Grids. And on this line, the white lines are at the 1 inch increment. On this side, they're on the 1/2 inch increment. But I can't tell you how many times I have cut on the wrong line because I've gotten distracted. So this is a real easy one. Just put a piece of tape on the line that you're supposed to be cutting on. It's fast, quick, and cheap. What better kind of tip is there? Sometimes when you're cutting, you have alignment points within your block you want to hit every single time. In this block, I want them to go through the 45 through these 2 corners, and I use this tape to help me hit them every single time. I put it on here, I can trim it up, and I just grab my next block. And I don't need to fuss or anything. My eye just tells me where I should be trimming up. Sometimes when you're quilting, marking the quilting lines can be so tedious and boring. This is a fast, easy way to do that dot-to-dot quilting. Simply cut or tear a piece of tape the length of the line that you will be quilting. The great thing about this is you can use the same tape over and over again. And lastly, I'll often use masking tape just to hold down either my blocks or my quilt as I'm trying to square up. And I just hang it up on the wall. And I layer my back, batting, and my fabric there. So I hope you can use these 5 tricks. One of the last things, this wide masking tape is really good when you're out at a quilt guild or on a retreat or something, just to make a quick, fast, easy name tag, or to make name tags to mark your equipment. Everybody has a lot of tools that are the same, so you'll know which ones are yours. If you've got some other use for masking tape, please leave it in the comments below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button below. Take care, and I'll see you next time.